You guys remember that insane Christopher Ward 12 we took a look at a couple weeks ago? Well, since that review, I broke my leg. And thankfully, my buddies at Chris Ward felt so sorry for me that they decided to send me yet another toy to play with while I recover. So let's do a quick review of the Christopher Ward C1 Bel Canto. It is 1:56 p.m. Let's get down to business. So jumping into the specifications and features, this is the C1 Bel Canto, 41mm case diameter. This dial variant is viola purple. The material is grade 5 titanium. You are getting a 13mm thickness with a 48mm lug to lug. The watch case weighs 53 grams. Everything, including the strap, weighs 78 grams. You're getting a 3 atmosphere or 30 meter water resistance rating. You're getting a Sellita SW201 base with an FS01 Chris Ward module. So this is a Chris Ward modified Sellita. You're getting a 38-hour power reserve, 29 joules, and this is known as a sonnerie au passage. That is the complication. We're going to talk about that in a moment, but you're getting a 28,800 VPH sweep, plus minus 22nd per day accuracy. You are getting a Vacona leather strap, and the strap is also purple on this one. Now, the feature is a pusher at the 4 o'clock, which turns on and off that complication that we're going to talk about. You're getting mirror polished chime, sunray finished module plate, red on-off indicator, 3D hand finished bridges, spring and hammer mechanism, anti-reflective dome sapphire, push down crown with twin flag motif, deep stamped case back with sound wave motif, brush and polished grade 5 titanium case, and it's all Swiss made. Now you can see and hear that this watch has a lot of time spent on its design and manufacturing. It's gorgeous, and it's absolutely like nothing I've reviewed on this channel as of yet. So why does it make a noise? Well, this complication, as I mentioned, is the sonnerie au passage, which is essentially a 60-minute marker. So every time an hour passes, the hammer strikes and lets you know that 60 minutes have elapsed and you're at the top of a new hour. But let's say you don't want it to make that noise every single hour. Well, you press that pusher at 4 o'clock and it adjusts the hammer and switches off the striking motion. So this is a very striking watch altogether, no pun intended, and it's incredibly photogenic, and it's just another indicator that Christopher Ward is really stepping up their game in a very big way. So again, that Chris Ward 12 we took a look at, that's pretty insane. This thing though, everything from the dial layout to the complication to the feeling on your wrist, it is just an absolute nutty watch. But let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this quick hands-on review, and I will catch you on the next one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.